You should think and lose some weight. You're a police officer. You should look like me. Do you want to see it? Do you want me to get undressed? Do you want to keep God damn it!
1:35 a.m., July 22nd, 2024. A patrol officer spotted a white SUV speeding at 60 miles per hour, nearly 100 kilometers per hour, in a zone limited to just 30 miles per hour. Police immediately signaled the female driver to pull over. Later identified as 35-year-old Malorie, she pulled to the side twice before suddenly hitting the gas and fleeing. Officers also observed the suspect tossing a weapon out of the vehicle during the chase, escalating the situation to a critical level.
Keep your fucking hands up! Keep your hands up!
I got taser.
Out of the car. Do it now. You're out of the car. Do it now. Step out.
If you run, I'm going to tase you. All right. Face the car. Hands behind your back.
Stop resisting. You almost hit me.
Get this one. You should be trained a little better. What are you doing?
Should be a what, ma'am?
Why are you shaking?
I'm not shaking.
All right.
You almost ran me over.
No, that was a setup.
Oh, you set me up?
Did you set this up?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything on you? Any weapons? Anything sharp that will poke
Does it
you?
look like I have weapons?
People hide things everywhere.
515, go ahead with the second, please.
All right, let's take you back. Is there anything in your mouth? Open your mouth. All right, tongue up. All right.
Wow. This is so intense. They know what she's at.
On the way to the station, her behavior became increasingly erratic, shifting from bursts of laughter to sobbing, then to hurling body-shaming insults at the female officer next to her. She rattled off a string of excuses. She was lost, her GPS had been hacked, and even claimed she might be diabetic.
It is so hot in here.
Are you feeling okay?
Yeah, it's hot outside.
I'm just asking if you needed any medical attention at all.
Why would I need medical attention when I needed directions? I'm lost.
Okay.
My navigation system's hacked.
Okay.
And I got a little lost coming home from a friend's house. And you arrested me for absolutely no reason and touched my body for absolutely no reason. And that's illegal.
Okay.
And you just arrested me for no reason when you should have asked me in the car, are you lost?
Okay.
Is your blood sugar low?
Are you diabetic?
You should have asked that before you arrested me.
Why was it?
Diabetes runs in my family, actually. So I could be diabetic. Now he's put me in handcuffs because of my name. You should feel pretty stupid that you arrested me for no reason and say, are you lost, when you saw that I'm from Illinois.
Okay.
And that I could have friends in Wisconsin.
Okay.
I could have been visiting my mom in the hospital at Madison and my navigation system got hacked. I lost my phone and you arrested me for no reason. And she just told off a cop. And what she did is true. What a dumbass. You could be in so much trouble if I had money because you arrested me and put me in a hot vehicle. A hot vehicle. If I had money, I would sue the fuck out of you for arresting me for no reason, didn't ask if I was diabetic or if I was lost. Because you did not ask for my license, you did not listen to yourself. You are making me sit in a hot police vehicle when I am dehydrated and thirsty. And it's summer, and there's no air in this car.
That's why the window's down.
Oh, you're just bringing summer air into the vehicle. You should think and lose some weight. You're a police officer. You should look like me. You're too fat to be a police. I was doing drugs. I'm sober. I'm sober. Wow. Marijuana is legal in Illinois and Wisconsin. She was doing drugs. Are you okay? Can you see? Can you see with those glasses on when you're running, trying to catch a real robber? Don't your glasses fall off? I wear glasses when I used to do hair, and they used to slip off my face. You do know that you're driving me somewhere illegally.
Oh, that was a good one.
7-9, dispatch.
Those.
794.
Watch your head.
23
So
station, I'll be
flattering.
looking.
Too fat to be a cop. All right. It's fine.
You can't. Let go.
I'm allowed to.
No. Who says?
It's fine.
You're in our
I'll pay
custody. No. Hey, somebody come over
but
here,
you just
please.
for it. You should have taken them right before I got in the house.
Be a bomb. Okay.
I could have brought.
Never mind. You want to take this? I'll just put it in here. Oh, no, that's okay. Alright, step out. One step.
Tag, I got one in PD with me. I'm bringing him over to you for track.
It's a little high. Step on the painted feet. Face the wall.
You want to weigh me too?
Face the wall. You can do one last search. There's nothing on you.
Whoa! What about Celeste when I was
Separate
little?
your feet.
Wow! What if I was Celeste? That's great! Wow! Oh my god!
Alright, so I believe you are under the influence of something. I don't know if it's drugs or alcohol, so we're going to go through some field sobriety tests. I am going to have to take off your cuffs, okay? You got to listen to what we're saying, otherwise you're going to be to the bench again, okay? Does that make sense, Mallory? You did this to yourself.
You did it to yourself.
Okay. I was not going miles an hour in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. Alright, so first test. Please stand up.
Just face one tab.
You're going to face me. Your feet, place it together, heel to heel, toe to toe, and your hands are going to be down by your sides. For this test, you are going to follow my finger and just the tip of my finger with your head and not your eyes. Do you suffer from any medical condition?
I have bipolar disorder. There's nothing wrong with me. I
Okay.
take medication.
Okay. That's the only medication that you're on?
What else would I be on? Because I'm skinny, I take
Sometimes
Adderall.
That is not what I
Because I have a
said.
bad reputation in
All right,
Illinois.
have you had
in high
any
school.
head injuries in the last couple...
Why would I have a head injury?
I don't know people's medical history.
You should have asked that before you brought me to the jail. You should have asked me why was I driving so. You should have said, are you diabetic? Are you from Wisconsin?
We can go over those questions right now before we
There's
do
no
the
reason you
test.
should have taken it this far. No reason. No.
Okay. It's up to you. Do you want to go through the questions? Harrison, just ask the questions.
Alright. Are you sick or injured in any way?
No.
Are you on any prescribed medications?
No, I don't need to take it anymore. I take Xanax when needed.
So that's a prescribed medication.
Wouldn't it be prescribed?
On the way to the station, her behavior became increasingly erratic, shifting from bursts of laughter to sobbing, then to hurling body-shaming insults at the female officer next to her. She rattled off a string of excuses. She was lost, her GPS had been hacked, and even claimed she might be diabetic.
Yeah. For no reason. Just I'm here for no reason.
Alright. Any specific medical thing you were in for?
What medical thing?
That you were hospitalized for?
No, I just got thrown in jail in the psych ward for no reason.
Are you on a special doctor-prescribed diet?
No, I eat what I want and digest it. That's why I'm skinny.
Are you allergic to
Unlike
any
that
medication,
police officer
food, or
that
other
can't chase
substances?
after me.
Are you allergic to medication, food, or other substances?
No, don't have any dietary restrictions. Eat what I want.
Have you ever
Watch
had
what I eat.
psychiatric treatment? Do you have any cuts or bruises?
Yeah, I have a bruise.
Where's that?
The right side of my body or the left side of my body.
Okay, where?
Do you want me to get undressed?
I
Do you want to
not.
see it? Do you want me to get undressed? Do you want
We
to
don't-
Keep your
we don't
pants
need that.
up.
We don't
Yep.
need that. Is this your first time in secure custody being arrested like this?
25.
I don't know.
On the 57.
Have you ever
I
been
got driven
arrested?
to the emergency for getting in a car accident
But were you arrested?
in Indiana.
Were you arrested for that?
I was thrown in jail, sat in cells for 5 days or 6 days. I don't know.
Do you use alcohol or drugs?
I drink alcohol when I get pissed off.
Are you mobile?
Yes.
Can you do what I can do? Can you do this and you're a cop? And I haven't worked out in 3 years.
That's
And you're a
good.
cop.
That's pretty good. No, I probably can't do that.
Yeah, you should. You should look like me if you want to be a cop.
Okay.
Same with him. You should look like him, but he couldn't do what I just did. Put me in a cell and end it.
All right. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I don't know. Can you see without your glasses on? You're a cop.
No, that's why
You
I
should
wear
be wearing glasses.
glasses.
You actually shouldn't be a cop because you can't see perfectly.
All right. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I can see it.
Hands
Take your
down by
glasses
your
off and
side.
let's see if you can see it. Same with him.
You're
I would
gonna
only
be
choose him to work in my
following-
police
you're gonna be
station. You have to do
following
a
with my
test every
finger
month.
with your eyes and your eyes only. You're not going to be moving your head. You understand?
Malorie's behavior has already been shocking, but she seems determined to escalate the situation even further.
Nine more steps. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 9. Just a couple things to remember. Look down at your feet, count out loud, keep your hands down by your side. Don't stop until I tell you to do so, or you feel you have completed the test. Do you understand the test?
What?
Do you understand the test?
Walk? Like you should have done this on the street? Or you want to do it in front of the camera?
Are you starting?
I have flat feet. Of course I can't walk in a straight line because my feet are flat. That's why I got arrested in Indiana. Because feet were flat and I went to jail for no reason. Because they said I was drunk and roasted a cop right in front of their face. Nothing.
Are you done with the test?
I just did the test.
Okay.
Can you do it without your shoes on? Let's see if you can do it. Let's do it flat feet. Did they see your? Did they check your feet before you were hired to be a cop? Did they check your eyes
When
to
I
be
asked
before
you
you
if
were
there were
hired to
any
be a cop?
other medical problems or issues that affect your walking and your balance, you didn't say yes. On
You
to
should
the
have
next.
asked that and done this outside in front of the camera.
I did the test. You fled. We had to bring you here. All right.
No,
Next
you should have
test.
asked if I was lost or if I needed sugar.
Okay. Next test. Feet together. Hands down by your side. You're going to be raising the foot of your choosing, whatever you want. You're going to raise your foot straight out. With your foot parallel to the ground, you're going to raise it approximately 6 inches above the ground. You're going to be looking down at that raised foot, and you're going to count out loud 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3,000 until
That's not necessary.
until I tell you to
Nope,
stop.
that's not necessary.
It's going to look a little like
Nope,
this.
the only task
1,
that you
1,000,
need to do...
2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000.
How would I do it if I had flat feet?
So on and so forth until I tell you to stop.
did.
Do you understand? Do you understand this test?
No, I don't have a comprehension problem, obviously.
Okay, do you want me to explain it again?
Nope, I need it written on paper.
You need it written down on paper. Are you a visual learner?
You don't know me and you will never know.
That's why I'm asking.
You will never know if I'm a visual, what type of learner I am, because you
And
did
I'm
not
trying,
study psychology.
I'm trying
in
to
class.
understand. We had to take a psychology class.
So what's wrong with me?
I'm not sure.
What's wrong with me?
We're trying to ask you questions.
Why does my personality keep changing?
Okay. Do you want to do this test or no?
Just do it.
Okay, you may begin.
Repeat it. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, you want me to repeat? Okay. You're going to choose whichever leg of your choosing. Your arms are going to be down by your side. You're going to lift.
Such a nerd. With me.
Do it with
I
you.
said I needed it on paper, so do it with me. Do it with me. Walk me through it.
You just said say it again.
And walk me through it. And I just said walk me through it. I have a comprehension problem. I need to see it. I said I need to see it on
I just
paper.
did it.
So do it with me.
All right.
Do it with me.
Hold on.
Do it with me.
Let's start the clock. All right. All right, go. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. You're not doing what I'm doing. 4, 1,000.
So lift it up
5,
higher.
1,000. I said approximately
Lift it up higher.
6 inches. 5, 1,000.
It's not necessary to do that shit air in here.
8, 1,000. 9, 1,000. 10, 1,000. 11, 1,000. 12, 1,000. 13, 1,000. 14, 1,000. 15. Well, how come you're not doing it with me? You said you wanted to do it with me. I'm doing it. All right.
Throw me in a cell.
This is a preliminary breath test. It is not admissible in court. It's just to see where you're at, okay? Have you taken one of these before?
Have you?
Yeah.
Do you take it before every shift?
No.
You should.
For what reason?
Cops are scumbag assholes, alcoholics.
Usually people
And
don't
high tech too.
do
You can tell a
alcohol
bad
before.
person from the way they stand, talk, and act, and if they listen to people. You shouldn't touch a woman for absolutely no reason. Any of you. You should ask if you've been molested or have PTSD, and if your blood sugar is low, or if you're lost. Why are you driving so fast? You don't arrest someone for no reason that has severe PSD.
30 miles
It
per hour
triggers
over
PTSD.
is dangerous, and you could have killed someone.
I was signaling for help.
Yeah?
I have a phone on me. My GPS was not working. And you arrested me for no reason. I have PTSD. This triggers it, and this
All right,
is not
you're
funny.
going to listen to this officer right now.
Throw me in a cell for no reason.
I'm gonna have you take a big deep breath in, see electronic food, and then blow up like you're blowing up a big balloon, okay? Here we go. I know you can do it. Big deep breath in and blow out. Keep going.
Hours later, when a female officer entered the holding cell to read Malorie her rights, her patience finally snapped. Malorie exploded into a fit of rage, screaming uncontrollably.
You do realize that what you're saying to me, you're supposed to say when you illegally arrested me.
No. Alright, I'm gonna continue.
You're such a nerd. You look like a squirrel. You're so ugly.
If you cannot afford a lawyer,
I don't know. I hope you're a virgin
lawyer
still. Like, that's how ugly you
will be
are.
appointed for you without charge prior to any
You
questions.
look like Monica Stevens.
If you decide to start any questions at this time, you can
No,
stop
it's right
any
here.
time during
It's
the
right
questioning. Do you understand your rights?
No, because I was just sitting here and roasting you.
That's fine.
You're so
I just
ugly.
need to get.
And I'm
you?
completely serious.
All right, that's great. Are you willing to answer questions? Make a
You
statement.
should have asked me those questions when you illegally put
That
handcuffs on me.
is incorrect. So is that a no?
Don't worry, I'm hiring my own lawyer.
Okay.
See what happens with me.
All right.
You do realize I have been arrested. This doesn't happen.
The first one is.
You
for
do realize you
resisting
don't sign
obstructing
contracts in
an
jail.
officer. You have a
God damn it! Get it!
Sit down now!
Stop doing
No,
this
you
shit!
need to sit down and listen to me! Sit down!
I don't do this shit in jail!
I am reading information. You are getting on my last nerve. I am so kind to you this whole time. Sit your ass down. I am getting people here to pick you up for something you did wrong. Now you're gonna listen to me. You don't have to say shit. You're gonna listen to what I'm saying. You have 4 citations. They are municipal. You're going to see a judge today. The rest of them, he will probably talk to you about. The first one is for resisting, obstructing an officer. You took off from a traffic stop.
I waited.
That's 690 a minute. You waited 1 minute. That is not a long amount of time. The next one is for exceed speed zones. You're going 60 in a 30-mile-per-hour zone. This is your notice of hearing. This has a date.
In the end, she was hit with multiple serious charges, including operating while intoxicated, OWI, refusal to submit to chemical testing, resisting law enforcement, excessive speeding, and operating an unregistered vehicle. A blood test was also conducted to determine the presence of other controlled substances, but the results have not yet been released. Records further revealed that Malorie had previously been taken into custody on suspicion of impaired driving. In Illinois, the charge of operating while intoxicated, OWI, is treated as a severe offense, one that endangers lives and public safety. Penalties can include up to 1 year in county jail, fines reaching $2,500, and suspension of a driver's license for several months to a year. Repeat offenders face far harsher consequences, ranging from 3 years to over 14 years behind bars.